Have you ever received a subpoena and wondered what happens if you ignore it? Many people don't fully understand the serious legal consequences that can follow. In this video, we explain what a subpoena is, why it matters, and what happens if you fail to comply. Whether you live in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, or New Zealand, the message is clear. A subpoena is not optional. A subpoena is a legal order issued by a court or legal authority. It requires a person to appear in court, give testimony, or provide documents or evidence for a legal case. The word subpoena comes from the Latin phrase subpoena, meaning under penalty. There are two main types of subpoenas. A subpoena ad testificandum orders a person to testify. A subpoena duces tecum requires an individual to provide records, documents, or other physical evidence. Both carry the same legal weight and must be taken seriously. So, what happens if you ignore a subpoena? In all major legal systems, failing to comply is considered contempt of court. In the United States, ignoring a federal subpoena can result in fines and up to 6 months of jail time. State courts also have the authority to issue fines or jail sentences. In Canada, a judge can issue an arrest warrant and impose fines or up to 90 days in jail. In the United Kingdom, ignoring a witness summons can lead to fines or a prison sentence of up to 3 months. In Australia and New Zealand, courts treat ignoring a subpoena as contempt, which may lead to monetary penalties, arrest, and short-term imprisonment. Contempt of court means that you have disobeyed a lawful court order. Judges have wide discretion to impose penalties. Some systems distinguish between civil contempt, which forces compliance, and criminal contempt, which punishes disobedience. In both cases, the risks are serious. Beyond fines and jail time, there are other consequences. If you are involved in a civil lawsuit and fail to comply with a subpoena, the court may issue a default judgment against you, granting victory to the opposing party. If you are a third-party witness and fail to respond, you could be fined, detained, and ordered to pay legal costs or compensation for delays caused by your absence. Courts can also issue a bench warrant, authorizing law enforcement to arrest you and bring you to court. If you believe a subpoena is unfair or impossible to comply with, the correct response is to act through legal channels. Do not ignore it. Consult a lawyer to understand your rights and possible next steps. Your attorney may help you file a motion to quash or modify the subpoena. Common reasons include improper service, undue burden, or demands for privileged information. Courts often modify or withdraw subpoenas when proper legal arguments are presented in time. If you genuinely cannot attend, for example, due to illness, travel restrictions, or unavoidable commitments, notify the court or the issuing party as soon as possible. Courts are often willing to reschedule or offer alternatives if reasonable notice is given and valid reasons exist. Failing to communicate or respond greatly increases your chances of facing penalties. In summary, a subpoena is a serious legal obligation. Across all major English-speaking legal systems, ignoring a subpoena can lead to contempt charges, fines, arrest, and imprisonment. If you receive a subpoena, take it seriously, comply with it, or challenge it legally through proper procedures. Never assume that ignoring it will make the problem go away. Courts have the power and determination to enforce subpoenas and ensure legal compliance. The legal system depends on individuals fulfilling their responsibilities. Subpoenas play a critical role in the pursuit of justice. Always treat a subpoena with the respect and urgency it deserves. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and stay legally informed.